Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Ocho Rios, Jamaica. We are looking at the Ocean View Mall, which is located in Ocho Rios. It's actually on the Ocho Rios bypass. And this is a massive structure. This was a mega construction project. And this is actually just phase one of the project. You're going to have phase 2 and phase 3, which involves building residential apartments on this same property. So somebody had commented or said that they didn't use the land properly because there's so much wasted land. But it's not wasted. This is just phase 1. The residential apartments are actually going on this property. Phase 2 will go to the left of this building and phase 3 will be behind it. Okay, so this building now is 80,000 square feet of commercial real estate. It's going to be a mall, and this is the newest and largest commercial development in Ocho Rios at this time. Now remember, they're building hotels all over the place because construction is like booming in Jamaica. But this is a commercial building. Actually, right across the road, Fesco is building. They just built a new gas station and they're building a plaza beside the gas station, but nothing close to 80,000 square feet. And this building is ideally located 10 minutes from the Highway 2000. And it's also very close. It's in Ocho Rios, the town center itself. So anybody staying at a hotel in the area can easily reach a mall within like a minute to go shopping. And as you can see, it's an enclosed structure. So it's what persons would in the US or outside of Jamaica would actually consider a mall. Because in Jamaica, we call a mall and a plaza the same thing. But in other countries, a mall looks more like this. So this is a very nice building, and it's not open to the public yet. As you can see, I guess they're doing the finishing touches, but the building itself is finished. And as soon as it's open to the public, we will make videos of inside the building. And up there where you're looking at now is like a rooftop view. So you can actually have events up there, and where you see those columns, there is an entertainment area up there. So you can have functions. So the outside of the building is complete for phase 1. So as you know, they are also expanding the Northern Coastal Highway between Montego Bay and Ocho Rios. So it's going to make getting to this mall even easier. It's going to be a 4-lane dual carriageway. And I'm not sure where it's going to end, but it would be so nice if they were to upgrade the Ocho Rios bypass to 4 lanes. They just said between Montego Bay and Ocho Rios is going to be upgraded. But this is such a massive mall that it's located on the Ocho Rios bypass, which is currently 2 lanes right now. But hopefully they upgrade it to 4 lanes to assist with the traffic that's going to be going into and out of this mall. And this mall has a lot of parking spaces. You have parking spaces inside the structure, and where we're standing on the outside of the fence, you also have parking spaces. If anybody knows who built this building, you can leave the comments in the section below. We don't really have much details as to who built it, but you can see this thing cost billions of dollars to build. It's a massive building. Now, in terms of rental, we are not 100% sure, but we heard a price of $2 US per square foot. And some units in this mall start at 1,000 square feet. And I guess they get bigger depending on the unit. So that's just to give you a general idea of what it's going to cost to rent a structure in here. Or sorry, to rent a unit. There you can see lots of parking spaces. But we'll keep you guys updated on the progress that's going on here and also when phase 2 and 3 start, we will make videos every 2 weeks to let you know, to keep you guys updated on what's going on. But the outside of the building looks finished. Okay, to the left now where you see that tractor or that piece of heavy equipment, construction equipment, that's where phase 2 is going to be built, which is apartments. And then behind the building is phase 3, which is also going to be apartments. And this is the outside where they have additional parking space. So you really have to admire all the progress that's going on in Jamaica. So it's not just BPO buildings going up. It's not just residential apartments. It's not just hotels, but you also have malls, modern looking luxury units like this one that are going up. So the the construction industry in Jamaica, it is booming from every angle. All right, guys, enjoy the rest of the video as we tour this building. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll keep you guys updated on it. And we'll send up the drone and make some drone videos. There you can see the name, the board. Ocho Rios Ocean View Mall. Alright guys, have a good day. Enjoy the rest of the video.